Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. Hope you all are doing well. In my earlier video, I have shared how to make play stand for birds. I have shared the link in the description. In this video, I am going to show how to make perch stand for birds. This is very simple to make and cost efficient and perfect for birds of all sizes. Here is the materials required for this. So I use 3/4 CPVC pipes, 2 feet 1 number, 1 feet 2 number, and 9 inches 6 numbers. These end cap 2 numbers, elbow 4 numbers, and T joints 4 numbers, and rope for grip. Okay, let's get started. First I will assemble the base of the perch stand by using T joints and elbows to create a sturdy balanced frame. This will ensure the stand stays stable even when the bird is perched on it. Yeah, the base is ready. Next I will attach the vertical perch to the base. You can also customize the height as per your requirement and add additional branches or perches at different angles for variety. Yeah, perch stand is ready. Next I will wrap the perch with rope for better grip and comfort. Yes, it's done. A durable and safe CPVC perch stand for your birds. Perfect for playtime or training sessions, which is very important to bond with the birds. You can see how my pattu is enjoying in the perch stand. As it is very handy, I can place it anywhere in my house and train it. I am sure all the bird lovers will enjoy this video. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.